Hi, in this video I will show you how to set a sleep timer on the Spotify. So Spotify offers you to set a timer before you are sleeping. It will automatically end of your song or of your podcast. So simply you have to follow this procedure if you want to use this feature. So first of all you have to open your Spotify mobile application. Once you will open it, after that you have to select any song or the podcast you want to listen. Simply I select this song. To just show you an example, tap on it and you will see screen like this. Also you will see a three dot icon on the right top. Click on it. Okay, on the bottom you will see a sleep timer option. Select it and multiple options or the time appear here like 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, end of the track. Select your time according to your choice. So better is that you can select this one if you are listening to podcast. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.